We're here at Cadbury World, and a lot's changed since the last time we were here.
Here's what's coming up.
Had your little back massage, butt massage, whatever you want to call it there.
Whatever.
Doesn't look very appetizing, I'm not going to lie. There you go, the chocolate's told you what to do. You need to subscribe.
So
it's chocolate or chocolate on the
No,
menu.
it's not.
First stop is the Aztec jungle.
Are you scared of snakes? It's like bush tucker trial.
Oh, it does start next week,
But then you get to eat cocoa beans rather than
You mean eat chocolate bars?
What did we get? So when you come in, you get, is it 2 bars per
2 bars.
person? So we've got a caramel and a double finger 12. Would you class it as a double finger?
Double finger 12.
Full size as well.
But yeah, first stop in the Cadbury World experience is the Aztec. Finding where all these cocoa beans have come from.
Yeah.
Can't see it in the minute, can you?
No, found a big snake.
Oh, this was in 600 AD, apparently. Don't remember these before.
It was busy last time we come in.
Oh, drag a piece of clothing to the correct god. Better watch out, so there's piranhas in there. More like pennies, but...
Penny piranhas.
Penny piranhas?
Yeah.
Penny for a piranha, everyone. Penny for a piranha.
So each of these screens that you come across is more in-depth learning. So you can take it as slow as you want. I mean, we've come on a Wednesday afternoon, the very last slot possible.
No one's here.
No one's here. So perfect time to come. I mean, it is November. But yeah, it just goes to show that if you want to come and explore and go more in-depth, the information is here.
Oh, we're back in London. We're in London now.
Who knew that Cadbury World was a travel portal?
Oh, it's time.
And my father became a prominent member of the local Quaker community. With more space, we can now prepare a cocoa powder and an eating chocolate that could be packed and sold.
That was when we launched our most important new brand. We called it Cadbury's Dairy Milk.
Had your little back massage, butt massage, whatever you want to call it there.
It was like a side wobble.
Yeah, didn't film that because you got to come and experience some of it for yourself. We're now in the make zone. We need to keep moving. This is Advertising Avenue. As you can see behind us, they're still doing quite a lot of construction here.
Yeah, it's still ongoing.
So a lot of Advertising Avenue is closed, unfortunately, including the gorilla. He is not here at the moment. But the time has come to ride the Fredo ride. Are you ready?
I am.
Can't film this, so we'll see you after the ride. So what did you think of the new ride?
Yeah, it was cute.
I enjoyed it.
It was better than the
Cadabra.
I mean,
No creepy beans this time.
No, I think there's probably a lot of nostalgia with Cadabra, but because I never come as a child, it's a win for me. There's no nostalgia for me. But no, it was cute. It was like a little shooting game.
It was like pew pew.
Yeah. And you had to collect the cocoa beans, collect the milk, and then help with the loading on the train and then the manufacturing.
Making some of these.
Yeah.
Some more chocolate.
And yeah, when you get off, they give you another chocolate bar each. What was it?
It was just a dairy milk.
Dairy milk.
Which we just made. The milk and the cocoa.
Yeah.
It's the dairy milk.
Yeah.
So we're now heading down towards the bottom, the outside section of the attraction, where there is the Bourneville experience, the play area, there's a 4D chocolate adventure, and the have-a-go zone, which hopefully is where you get to try some chocolate that they used to have. Hopefully it's still here. But
there's probably more to do there, but at the moment where there's the construction, a lot of it is just kind of routed straight through.
Yeah, they're redoing.
Back out to the main entrance.
Redoing it. The shop's being redone. The Advertising Avenue is being redone.
Yep.
So when you come, there might be even more new stuff to check out. But we are going to head down now. Check out Have-a-Go Zone.
On the game as well, we got 311. It was just us two in the cart. I think the cart takes 6 people. 3 on the front row, 3 on the back.
You've got it.
I think you've got buttons on the back. Certain times that you need to press
them.
Buttons.
So
yeah, bookmarking it. 311. Got to try and beat it next time.
Next time, definitely.
Yeah.
So this is all new since the last time we were here. The brand new Bourneville experience and the Have-a-Go Zone, which is down there. It is the Have-a-Go Zone.
Oh, straight
can
away.
smell it.
Yeah, as soon as you come through.
Yum, yum, yum.
Good job there. Let's get some more chocolate guys, Ava.
And then spread.
Look at the shine on that. We got more chocolate as well. We got buttons. It's as easy as said and done one-handed, but...
Oh, yes. One-handed, you can just...
Nice.
It's interesting though, like yours was poured out at the same time as mine, so literally just by me tempering it, yeah. I'm trying to make it look more pretty than what it does, but I think whatever...
Doesn't look very appetizing, I'm not going to lie.
Whatever I do with it, it just looks... Yeah.
I don't know, it's like something Jensen would have left for
I was going to say.
There you go, the chocolate's told you what to do. You need to subscribe. Yay!
Can I do a little smiley face? And then because we're at Cadbury World,
Yum, yum, yum.
yum yum yum.
Next up, the Bourneville experience. This is brand new since the last time we were here. Don't remember this, so all updated. The history of Bourneville.
Yeah,
19
this used to be where the Have a Go is. So
It did. It's moved
elements of it been moved across, but
All
the
redone.
exhibit is all new. Cool, your selection box isn't that size anymore, is it?
No, if only. I remember having one of those as a kid.
Yeah.
So whilst the main shop is closed, they have a temporary shop, which is here. We're going to go check it out. See them. I'm sure there's plenty of chocolate at reduced prices. No booze. I recognise that tea towel. I seem to recall we got
Yeah,
that
we've
last
got
time.
one of those. Look how intricate the work is. You think what we were just doing
Yeah.
on a great big slate
Someone's made
or
that.
marble top. Yeah.
Plushes.
There's the gorilla. That's where he's gone.
Yeah. He's sat in the temporary shop.
Got all the classic stuff: key rings, pens, pencils, rubbers.
Got the bulk buys, wee little bags. 3 sheer bags, £3.30.
Cherry drops. Do you know what cherry drops remind me of?
What?
Going on holiday, buying them from the airport for the plane in case your ears pop.
I bet you wouldn't get 10 for £6 from the airport. It'd probably be like 2 for £6.
Yeah, I don't particularly want 10,
Oh,
but thanks for the offer.
you're welcome. You could have 60 bars of Fredos for £10.20.
Okay, yeah, that's different.
That is a good bargain. Well, 25p each usually. No, 30p each. Crikey.
Wow, when
Inflation.
did they go up?
I remember when they were like 5p a Fredo. Maybe 10p.
I don't remember 5p.
Maybe 10p.
I remember 10p.
30p! 30p a Fredos though! There you go, you can get 10 Fredos for £1.70. That's not bad. So the damage has been done in the shop.
They're not all for us, I promise.
Yeah, promise.
Two bags are for us. We've got
Yeah.
a bag of caramel Freddos and a bag of normal Freddos. And
Yummy
then
yum.
Everything else is presents.
Yay! So we are going to head out, I think, now. But before we do, there's a couple of other bits down here. You've got the 4D Chocolate Adventure, 4D Cinema.
Yep.
Worth checking out, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a little adventure with Fredo the Frog. It's got seats move, like special effects and stuff. And you've also got a big playground behind this building here, which we'll show you as we head back up.
You can also get food here as well. I've never personally eaten, so I can't.
It's chocolate or chocolate on the
No,
menu.
it's not. Look, they've got like chips and stuff.
Yeah,
so.
chocolate covered chips. And chocolate
like-
covered burgers and chocolate pizza. Oh, you're dropping the goods though.
But yeah, just in case like you are making a full day of it, then there is food options down here.
And don't worry, it's not just chocolate. It's mostly chocolate. So that is going to do it for us here at Cadbury World today.
Yep.
Enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, it's good. It's definitely worth it. So we've got the Merlin annual passes.
Included in that.
Yeah, so Merlin's recently taken it over in the last year or
About
two.
a year and a half ago, something like that.
So it's now,
Now
as
on your
part
pass.
of your annual pass. So definitely, if you're an annual pass holder, well worth a visit.
Especially if you're passing. Like,
Yeah.
we're doing this en route up north. Up to Manchester.
Up to north.
Up to north. So I'm sure you'll see vlogs from the rest of our fun
Manchester.
from the next few days coming up.
I think if you've been recently, I don't think it's changed enough to come back.
No, since we came, it's changed a fair bit with the new ride,
ride.
the new experiences back here.
But they're still working on it. So.
They are. Maybe give it a little while. If you're going to come here once and once only, wait a little bit longer. Let them finish everything first.
Yeah.
The chocolate tasting, they need to bring that back. That was good.
But to be fair, we've got more chocolate than I was expecting.
4
to
bars
get.
each.
Yeah, and that doesn't include
All of those. So yeah, I've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It's been nice little stop. Nice to check out everything new. But until next time, from Cadbury World,
There's the original factory. Look at it.
we shall see you real soon. Bye.